The sun streamed through the living room window as Dad crouched down, smiling warmly at Bluey and Bingo. "Ready for a ride?" he asked, his voice full of playful excitement. Bluey and Bingo squealed, jumping up eagerly, their tails wagging with delight as they scrambled into Dad's arms. Bluey giggled, "Hold me tight, Dad," while Bingo wrapped her tiny paws around his neck, whispering, "Don't drop us." Dad laughed, shifting them carefully so both pups were balanced comfortably, his arms strong and gentle. The girls wiggled with joy, leaning against him, their little hearts racing with happiness. 5 seconds later, Dad spun around in a slow circle, making the pups squeal with laughter. Bluey clutched his shirt, "Faster, faster," while Bingo shrieked, "I feel like I'm flying." Dad laughed louder, twirling them through the room, careful to avoid the furniture, but still making it feel like a whirlwind adventure. The girls pointed at the bookshelf, giggling. "Look, it's a mountain," Bluey said, pretending they were explorers. Bingo added, "We're climbing to the top." Dad adjusted his hold, pretending they were scaling cliffs, rocking back and forth with exaggerated steps. Each movement made the pups shriek in delight, their giggles echoing through the house. 10 seconds later, Mom peeked in, laughing at the scene. "Looks like someone's having fun," she said, shaking her head with a smile. Bluey and Bingo waved their paws. "Come join us," they shouted, their excitement infectious. Dad grinned, "You've got to earn a turn," and spun them again, faster this time, making the pups squeal and hold on tight. The room became a playground of laughter, spins, and gentle swoops. Bluey leaned over. "I love this, Dad," her voice filled with pure joyful pride. Bingo added, "Best ride ever," her eyes sparkling like little stars. Dad's heart swelled, holding both his little pups close, knowing these moments were precious and fleeting. As the spins slowed and Dad set them down gently on the carpet, the pups collapsed into a happy heap, panting but grinning wide. Bluey whispered, "Thank you, Dad," while Bingo nuzzled close, "You're the best." Dad turned to the camera with a warm smile, lifting Bluey onto his shoulder. "If you loved our fun ride, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more heartwarming adventure.